I'm standing at the football field of the LNIP NERC. You can see on my background. A large number of people have gathered here for the opening ceremony of the 10th intramural inauguration ceremony. This is a big event, an annual event of LNIP, both at the national level. And this particular NERC, which has played a very big role in promoting and encouraging sports in the northeastern regions. So this annual event is going to see we starts the functions with a march past competition between 7 houses, 4 of the boys and 3 of the girls, followed by a football match. The 10th intramural opening ceremony program 2019-20 of LNIP NERC was held on 23rd August 2019 at the football field of the Lakshmibai National Institute of Physical Education Northeast Regional Centre. The intramural ceremony is an annual and integral part of the institute whose main purpose is to promote physical education and sports awareness among children and community. LNIP NERC is a premier institute of India and particularly in the northeastern region under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, providing international standard infrastructure facilities with qualified sport resource persons in various sports disciplines for all the 8 northeastern states. I have with me Dr. Sankar Basumatari, Assistant Professor and Head of Department of LNIP NERC.
We consider this intramural competition as a mini Olympics of this very small campus of LNIP, which is the extension campus of Gwalior, LNIP Gwalior. Basically, headquarters of this LNIP campus is in Gwalior only.
So this is an annual event?
Yeah, this is an annual event, and as a form of this intramural competition, we have a competition throughout the year, and we conduct the intramural competitions in different sports. Basically, the sports which we have here, the formal sports, we have here as a part of our curriculum. आज के दिन से हमारा जो इंट्रामुरल कॉम्पिटिशन्स है वो इनॉग्रेट हो जाएंगे एंड एवरी वीकेंड में हम एवरी वीक और एक या 2 स्पोर्ट्स को हम उसको एज ए इंट्रामुरल कॉम्पिटिशन रूप में कंडक्ट करते जाएंगे एंड इसको हम पूरा एंड ऑफ द सेशन जो हमारा एकेडमिक ईयर है वहाँ तक हम उसको खींच के ले जाते हैं और ये लगभग हम जितना भी मेजर स्पोर्ट्स है उस स्पोर्ट्स को हम कवर करते हैं इस कंपटीशन के दौर.
What is the basic aim and objective of this particular function?
Basically, since this is a professional institute of physical education and sports, we try to create different types of qualities in students, the professional qualities like the organizations and the event that management and the competition spirits and fighting spirits and basically आपका जो team spirits है and the spirit of belongingness in particular house, because when we say that this is a hostel team, it is not exactly a hostel team and they are not friends team, but it is a team, really it is a team of the competitors. हमारा पास अभी 4 boys hostels है और 3 गर्ल्स हॉस्टल है, तो ये टोटल 7 हॉस्टल्स जो है वो लोग आपस में कॉम्पिटिशन्स करेंगे और दैट mass first competitions will be followed by again the football match. Today we are having a very special chief guest from the Mauritius. He is also in fact the alumni of this institute only. The long back he studied here. He is a 1981 batch and now he is working as a director of sports in the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, the Republic of Mauritius.
The program began with the welcome speech by Dr. N. Sohinder Singh, Intramural Director.
To the inauguration event of the intramural session 2019 and 20. I would like to thank all for coming here today on this special, those of you who have come from far away. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest of today's evening, Mr. Dev Kuti, an alumni of LNIP Gwalior, 1981 batch, and ex-football player who have represented the university team at all India level in a multiple occasion. It is a moment of a great pride and honor to have him among us. Currently, he is serving as the Director of Sports and under the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Republic of Mauritius. I request Honorable Dean Professor Biswajit Basmutari to formally welcome him with the traditional bouquet, gamsa and japi.
The next program was the felicitation of the dignitaries on the dais. Program began with the felicitation of the chief guest, Dr. Dev Putti, Director of Sports, Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Republic of Mauritius, with the traditional Assamese gamcha, ethnic japi and a horai.
Then a big round of applause.
The next person was the guest of honor, Dr. Subhas Basmutari, Director Regional Center, Sports Authority of India. Besides Professor Biswajit Basmutari, Dean, NLIP, NERC, other special guests present on the occasion were Dr. Anantyan Istama, Director of Sports, University of Mauritius, Republic of Mauritius.
Dear friend among
Flag hosting was done by Chief Guest Dr. Dev Putti, accompanied by Dr. Biswajit Basmutari, Dean, NLIP, NERC. Dr. N. Suhinder Singh, Intramural Director.
May we all please rise up for the Institute song.
After the flag hosting, led by NLIP choir group, performed Institute song.
नई जवानी नई रवानी नई कहानी
Bronze medalist of the Khelo India, Ajit Awasthi, led the lighting of the flame.
Bronze, who is a bronze medalist in Khelo India Youth Games 2018 Pune in judo. Exchanging the torch with Losi Begum, who is a gold medalist in World Martial Arts Championship 2018, which was held in Thailand. Last and not the least, here the torch has been exchanged with Mr. Ajit Awasthi, who is a gold medalist in International Youth Asian Judo Championship 2014, Taipei, China. I request everyone to please give them a big round of applause. They are the gems of LNIP NERC. Here we can see Mr. Ajit Awasthi lighting the lamp, lighting the flame of the intramural session 2019-20. Now up in the next, I would again like to request the chief guest of the evening, Mr. Dev Putti.
Chief guest, accompanied by the guest of honor, Dean, Intramural Director, and HOD, were introduced with the marching contingent.
This is Lachit House. In the next, it is Major Dhyanchan House.
Joymati
In the next, we have Joymati House. In the next, we have Mula Gabru House. And at last and not the least, we have Kanaklata House.
Declaration of the intramural
Like to
opened
request our
by
chief
Chief Guest Dr. Dev Putti, Director of Sports, Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Republic of Mauritius.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have the pleasure to declare the intramural session 2019-20 open.
Oath-taking ceremony of all the commanders of the 7 houses, which included 4 boys and 3 girls hostels.
In the name of all the competitors, I promise that we shall take part in the intramural session 2019-20, respecting and abiding by the rule which govern them, without using doping and drugs, for the glory of our sports and the honor of our houses.
After the oath-taking ceremony was the marching of the contingent, the starting point by respective commanders. The first event of the intramural ceremony was the colorful march past competition by the marching contingent of the 7 houses of the LNIP NERC.
In their first ever match, participated in 1948 Summer Olympics. And the third contingent is the Veer Subhash House, named after Subhash Chandra Bose, who was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him hero in India. He is well known as honorific Netaji, respected leader in our country and worldwide. He was also the leader of the Indian National Congress. Followed by Veer Subhash House is Major Dhyanchan House. Major Dhyanchan was an Indian hockey player and one of the greatest hockey players in the history of the sport. The placard bearer of the Lachit House is Nonthangam Angam, flag bearer Junmani Barua, and the commander Ankan Bora. sequence, we have Dr. Talimaran House in front of the saluting point. Mr. Tushar Sharma is the placard bearer of Dr. Talimaran House. Oditanshu Arya is the flag bearer, and Ronit Kumar Biswas is the commander. Third in the sequence, we have Veer Subha's house with Prabal Pratap Singh as the placard bearer, Razofri Sohe as the flag bearer, and Himanshu Bhuya as the commander. Now in front of the saluting point, we have Major Dhyanchand House with Bronson Teleng as the placard bearer, Shivam Singh as the flag bearer, and Somiran Datta as the commander. We can see the Joymoti House marching towards the saluting point. Joymoti House, which is named after Joymoti Kuori, who was the wife of the Thai Ahom Prince Badapani. She was accorded the honorific Mohioki on account of her heroic endurance and torture until the end, dying at the hands of royalists under Sukafa Loraroja without disclosing her exiled husband Prince Badapani's whereabouts, thereby enabling her husband to rise in revolt and resume kingship. And we have Miss Shweta Sharma as the placard bearer, Nikita Singh as the flag bearer, and Poonam Pradhan as the commander of Joymoti House. We can see Muladabhanu House marching ahead. This house has been named after Nang Mula, who was a Thai woman warrior of Thai Ahom Kingdom. She fought against an invading army after her husband's death in 1527. She dominated the initial battle of war for 5 years. And we have Miss Sonali Kumari as the placard bearer, Srijita Bhaumik as the flag bearer, and Pele Khono as the commander of the house. And the seventh house is Kanaklata, named after Kanaklata Barua, who was also known as Birbala and Shahid Kanaklata Barua. She was an Indian freedom fighter and AISF leader from Assam who was shot dead while leading a procession bearing the national flag during the Quit India movement of 1942. And of the same house, we have Miss Upasana Das as the placard bearer, Maina Basamudari as the flag bearer, and Miss Rinjim Bhuya as the commander. And all the competing 7 houses are marching with the beat of the drums by the 3rd Sikh Regiment Topatoli Jagirod, led by Nab Subedar Ranjit Singh.
Dr. Biswajit Basubandari, Dean LNIP REC, in his speech,
Mr. Deputy from the Republic of Mauritius. He is Director of Sports and Youth Welfare, Ministry of Mauritius, and also advisor to the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Indeed, to have such a great alumnus of our institute, he has been a extraordinary football player, represented Jivaji University. That time LNIP was under the Jivaji University, so team has to participate from that. And throughout his career, he was a very able sports administrator. That is the Republic of the Mauritius well knows very well. And all the way from the Mauritius, he happened to at this moment with us. That itself is a great, and I became very nostalgic. And really, what to say, means I cannot express in the world that he is among us. Along with him, a great alumnus of our institute is none other than Mr. Anantian Kistama, another great footballer, and working as a director of sports in the University of Mauritius. As a guest of honor, we have another one, a great sports administrator of the entire Northeast, very well known to our family. He is like a family member and mentor to this institute, Dr. Subhas Basumantari. And we have galaxy of the special guest. Not much taking time, I place on record my due regards for all of us, all of them, from all of us. Right from the Dr. Manish from Arunachal. He is principal of the international school there at, right now I could not recollect the name of the schools. I'm really sorry for that. And we have deputy director from the government of Assam, Department of Finance and Audit. We have National Sports Academy, Cycling Sports Academy Chief Coach, Mr. Subhas Paule, Director of Sports, Guwahati IIT, Director of Sports, Cotton University, Mr. Kulen Das, and Dr. Diganta Soikia from the IIT. And there are many, if I have missed anyone, I place my due regards to everyone that at this great moment, all they are there here to witness your this great march past. Like I said, that you have really done very marvelous. It's nothing I have words to express that you have did very good as well. And it is ultimately the result of that since last more than 10 days. You have been practicing day and night under the guidance of your warden, your seniors, house captains and the house bearers. All together you are trying to put up a performance, and not only that you did very sincerely, involving emotionally. That is the winning part of this tournament, this organization, this intramural competitions. That you give your heart and soul for preparing for the competition and for the honor of your house. That itself is a learning experience, and this you will realize when you pass out and when you go into job, how much these practices, these traditions of hostel life has made you mature and experienceful. I would not say much more, but in front of dignitaries like Mr. Deputy and all are who are on the dais, in front of them you have done excellent performance. That itself made me proud. And thank you very much, boys. Keep it up.
In his speech, Dr. Subhash Basumatari, Director Regional Center, Sports Authority of India.
My football mat. We used to be there in the football ground all the time. We represented the Jiwaji University at then. University, who happened to be there in Gwalior. Representing the Jiwaji University was one of the proud moments for all of us at that point of time. And we three together we played for Jiwaji University in many years. And also we have conquered some of the tournament during that point of time. I still remember the football days that I have spent with these two gentlemen. It's been 38 years. It's quite a long time. 38 years. The Kistama, I met him. In fact, Deputy, he came down here in 2002 around. So it's really a proud moment for all of us. They're from the same batch, 3 footballers together in one platform, and watching the today's generation, the LNCPN from Guwahati, who had made us proud. I really feel proud today standing in front of you and also sitting with my 2 fellow classmates and as a football mate together and watching the young generation performing the mass pass. That is really a great. The Dean of the LNIP in that matter should be appreciated, and yeah, I should give him a big...
The chief guest of the intramural opening ceremony program, Dev Putti, Director, Sports, Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Republic of Mauritius, said,
To me, amidst you on a day which I did not expect. We were just coming to meet our friend, Mr. Subhash Basumatari, but coincidentally, it happened to be your day, and I was very much delighted to be invited to assist this display of yours. I was standing here saluting you all, and I could see the effort that each and everybody was trying and putting in that display. I hope the best wins. By the way, my good friend Mr. Subhash made mention that I came in 2001 or 2 around, I think. When I came that time, we had your institution at Guwahati. That was newly functioning, and at that time, one construction was going on, and there was no big deal. But after so many years coming now today, I'm going through, and I have seen the progress made there, And much more when I have come to this place, seeing this infrastructure and the local where it is just amazing. And through that, I can equally see the effect that both Mr. Subhash Basumatri, Director of SAI, and his brother, the Dean of LNIP here, Guwahati, been putting to make this place and a special one, and at the same time, through their investment, get the best for you people to evolve. Seeing you marching, I was thinking myself, whether in my days, myself, or Mr. Subhash, or Mr. Kistabaya could do that. No, I don't think so. So a big hand for you all, for your display, and I wish you all the best, and may the best win. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Football match between Veer Lakshit Borphukan House versus Dr. Talimeron House was played.
And now I request the Director of Intramural, Mr. Suhinder, to escort our chief guest for this evening, along with guest of honor, Dr. Subhash Basumatri, and Dean LNIP, Professor Biswajit Basumatri, for a very brief introduction. So all the players and the spectators are ready with their Mr. Viraj, nice tackle, and the first pass with the two strikes, passing through the 17, but the nice deflection done by the 31. Now the ball is with the Lakshit House, thrown by nice throw-in, but the ball is with Lakshit House. They are going through the A wonderful shot by the number 5 of Lakshit House, but just missed the target by an inch. So the ball is with the goalkeeper of Talimeron House. Nice pass through the left flank. Sorry, this is the ball, but a throw in for Lakshit Borphukan House. So the throw in to Mr. Chonja Norbu. Direct pass towards the. But here is the deflection from Mr. Francis. Pass to Rajkumar. A wonderful football match in this wonderful evening at LNIP NERC Guwahati, with the both houses amongst us. We have one extra player walking around the ground. Nice tackle by the number 4 of Taliman Now House. And the ball is with the Taliman Now House. Nice kick. Nice try, but good defending by Rashid House. The throw in will be taken by Taliman Now House. Virat Singh taking a throw. But the coup is there to nicely defended, clear to the sideline, and the throw in for Taliman Now House. The Virat is taking the throw in. Nice ball, nice attack by the Sushil. Nice chance for the Taliman Now House, but nice defense by Rashid House. So it's a nice defensive play from the Rashid House. Nice clearance. And this is the first corner for, and it's a ball is with the Rashid House players, and ball is with Chunja. Chunja passing through the right line, passing forward, and can it be a cross? And it was a nice cross and nice try by Rashid House, but again it's a good shot by Chunja. Coop missed passes, and again ball is with Ronit passes to Mego. Mego is taking the ball forward towards the left line, and it's a back pass played by Mego. Mego to Ronit. Ronit, jersey number 23 dribbling nicely, but it's a nice clearance by Chunja Norbu. Now ball is with Rashid House players. Coop to Chunja back to Coop, and Coop is again to 73 jersey number, and it's Chunja Norbu. Chunja Norbu to Coop. Coop is dribbling the ball forward. And again back to Chunja. And jersey number 51. And it's again towards the right flank. Nice clearance by the jersey number 9 of Taliman Now House. Ball is going to be taken by Rashid House. Ball is again with Ronit moving forward, Francis. And it's a nice pass, but a nice tackle from Rashid House defenders. Ball is with Rashid House. And again to their left, right flank. Ball is with the number 5 of Rashid team. Rashid seems taking full attacking mode. Let's see what they can do in this 15 minutes. Ball is with the goalkeeper of Rashid House, Rahul. Rahul clears the ball, and it's a risky receive by the player of Rashid House, and he will be booked with a yellow card by the main referee, Mr. Arif Billah. He is the level 3 licensed referee of football. And I think there is an injury for the jersey number 5. As you can see, there's a nice cross by Taliman Now player. But nice collection from the Rahul to Coop. Coop again to Negi. Coop is holding the ball, moving forward to the left flank, and it's a Negi pass to Negi, but nice tackle by nice throw in from Rashid House. Chonja moving forward. Let's see if they can convert it. It's a good chance for Chonja, but misses pass, and the ball is again with the goalkeeper of Taliman Now House, Mr. Darinder Singh. Nice clearance from Darinder. Ball is again in the hand of Ronit. Ronit mispasses, and the ball is again with Chonja. Chonja moving forward with Coop. Coop again, Coop, nice dribbling from the Coop again to Chonja. Chonja to Cook, but it's a missed pass, and again the ball is with Taliman Aho's player, Ronit. Ronit going to the center. Oh, it's a nice clearance by Gautam, wonderful kick, and ball is with Lachit House player, and it's Lachit House, they're trying hard to get the ball, but it's like a slip, and it's a nice defense. Wonderful pass, but the ball is out of the ground, and it's throw-in for Team Taliman Ao. The ball is with the Lachit. The Sushil will take the throw-in. Let's see if Lachit House can convert something from this. And it's a nice one-on-one going on between the defender and the striker of Taliman House. The ball is with Gautam. Let's see if they can do something. But ball is again back to the nice clearance by Rahul. It was a very risky pass from defender of Lachit. Ball is out and the throw in for the Lachit House. It's a long throw taken by the defender, but there is no one to collect it. So ball is again out of the ground, and again it's a throw in for the Lachit House. Who will be taking the throw in to Chonja. Chonja again, Cook passes forward, but there's no one to receive. Ball is with, and it's a hand call. Hand done by Taliman Ao player, and the ball and set piece for Mr. Taliman Lachit House, Mr. Chonja Norgo. The match is going so intensely. Both the teams are trying to score the goals. Taliman Ao fully committed to defend their one lead from Lachit House, and it's a nice shot, nice pass by Sushil to jersey number 50, Manas, and it's a nice defense. Supratik to Gautam, and again missed passes between the defender and Ronit taking advantage, and it's a chance for 50 number, but he shoots, and again well tried, and it's a penalty shot for penalty kick for Taliman Ao House. There was a bad tackle by Lachit House player. It can be very dangerous. It can be very dangerous for Lachit House. A very dangerous tackle done by the defender of Lachit. So the Taliman Ao House is getting one more chance to score and take a lead of double the lead. And the referee is showing yellow card to the defender of Lachit House. So the set piece, so the penalty kick will be taken by jersey number 23 of Taliman Ao House. Let's see if we can do. Nice power, nice shot, and it's a goal for Taliman Ao House. Williamson of Taliman Ao House, who scored the penalty. Let's see what they can do. It's a football, no one can say anything till the last whistle blows. So passes to Chonja with the right defense, trying to move forward, and it's a nice dribbling shown by the 57 jersey number of Lachit House, going through the right line, and again a corner kick for Lachit House. It might be there few chances more for Lachit House score a goal or a equalizer. Let's see what they can come up with this corner kick. And it's a nice corner kick by Lachit House, and it was nice try by Mehboob, but it was out of the bar, so it's a goal kick for Taliman our house. Sushil is not taking any risk. He's taking the his full time to shot, and it's a nice clearance by Sushil. Sushil the 21, nice third. That's again out. Throw in for Lachit House. Throw in taken by Negi. Negi to Mehboob. It's a hero. Francis, nice pass, nice try, nice pass, but ball is with the goalkeeper, and goalkeeper passes to the right defender, and Lachit House is moving to the attacking zone.
लचित हाउस के पास अभी भी मौका है, जो थोड़ा बहुत समय बचा है उसमें कुछ कर सकते हैं ये, लेकिन अभी भी टाइम है। और एक बार बॉल को फिर से क्लियर किया गया लचित हाउस के द्वारा। खूबसूरत पास जर्सी नंबर 5 के द्वारा। इस मैच में डॉक्टर तालीमारन आव हाउस अजय बढ़त बना चुका है, जो कि स्कोर 2-0 चल रहा। अभी भी मौका है वीर लचित हाउस के पास कुछ कर गुजरने का। करो और मरो मैच उनके लिए चल रहा है, ज़्यादा समय नहीं बचा है। और एक बार फिर चेस्ट से रिसीव किया जर्सी नंबर 5 ने, और एक अच्छा पास, देखते हैं क्या कन्वर्ट कर पाते हैं या नहीं। और ये रेफरी के द्वारा फ्री किक दिया गया लचित हाउस को। अब देखते हैं, ये मौका उनके लिए अच्छा है गोल में कन्वर्ट करने का। और देखा जाए अभी भी बढ़त ज़्यादा नहीं है, मात्र 2 गोल का ही बढ़त है। अगर कंटिन्यू 2 कर दिए जाएं तो बराबर हो जाएंगे इनके मैच में, बराबरी का मौका हो जाएगा, तो मैच का नज़ारा कुछ और ही होगा। और ये अटैम्प्ट, लेकिन बॉल एक बार बाहर। क्लियर किया गया तालीमारन हाउस के द्वारा। एक बार फिर लचित हाउस के पास बॉल ड्रिबल करते हुए पास दिया साथी खिलाड़ी को, और अभी भी दोनों टीमों के प्लेयर्स जूझ रहे हैं बॉल के साथ। और शानदार गोल होने से बचा, एक बार फिर जाके सीधे बॉल पोल से टकराई। अगर थोड़ा सा एंगल गोल हो जाता। जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि अभी भी मौका है लचित हाउस के पास कुछ कर गुजरने का। और एक बार फिर गोल। पास किया गया बॉल लचित हाउस के पास करके। और एक अच्छा पास तालीमारा हाउस के द्वारा दिया गया। क्या एक अच्छा प्रयास, बहुत अच्छा प्रयास, लेकिन बॉल एक बार फिर बाहर। कॉर्नर दिया गया है तालीमारा हाउस को। समय गुजरता जा रहा है। लतिक हाउस के खिलाड़ी को मौका लेना होगा, ट्राई करना होगा जो बचा हुआ समय है। मैच का आखिरी मिनट, अगर कुछ हो सकता है तो करेंगे। और रेफरी के द्वारा ऑफसाइड दिया गया। तो बचा हुआ समय एकदम फुल अटैक करके खेलना होगा, इसमें कुछ मौके बन सकते हैं। मैच की समाप्ति। और ये देखिए जबरदस्त जिम्नास्टिक करा जा रहा है।
After the football match between Lachi Barphukan House versus Dr. Telemarao Our House, declaration of the March Pass results were done along with the prize distribution by the chief guest and the dean.
तुम लोग भेज जाओ, 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 भेज जाओ। साइड में
Lastly, the vote of thanks was given by Sanam Khan.
I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to Mr. Dev Putti, Director of Sports, Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Republic of Mauritius, for gracing us with his presence despite his busy schedule. I would also like to thank our guest of honor, Dr. Subhash Basumatari, Director, Regional Center, Sports Authority of India, Ministry of Sports, Government of India. I would also like to thank our guest of honor, Mr. Anantayan Kistama, Director of Sports, University of Mauritius. A special mention to all the students, supporting staff, that is our groundsmen, playing staff, mess staff and the electricians, and all those involved who have worked tirelessly day and night, without whom the event would not have been possible.